Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm PC Makeover and here with me is
Castabel.
I'm going to be reacting to Louis Megyu singing La Unconditional. Wow. Guys, you know how much I love Louis Megyu. He's been singing since when he was a kid and he's still singing till now. I love Louis Megu's voice. I love his passion for music and the way he sings unconditionally, guys. So without further ado, let's get started.
La misma siempre tú, amistad, ternura, qué sé yo. Tú, mis horas bajas, tú, un cuerpo de mujer, un par de rosas blancas. No existe un lazo entre tú ni yo. No hubo promesas ni juramentos, nada de nada. Tú, la misma de ayer, la incondicional, la que no espera nada. Tú, la misma de ayer, la que no Era na 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 na. Oh, oh, solo, 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 solo. Yeah.
Wow.
Amiga, solo, solo tú.
This was amazing. Like every bit of the performance right here was awesome. Luis Mercurius sang this song in a beautiful way. I enjoyed his performance right here. Like for someone to love you unconditionally and they're always there for you. They don't expect anything. It's so amazing. Getting someone like that, it means that no matter what you do, no matter how you act, they're just going to be there for you. That is a wonderful feeling, guys. Being in that situation, wow, I don't think anything can compare to that. I enjoyed the way this McHugh sang about the song. He just expressed every bit of his emotion. His vocals was amazing. Yeah, the way he just kept on going on and on was so cool. I love his voice control. I love the way the audience were singing along. They loved the song. They enjoyed every bit of it. His backup singers, his instrumentalists, like they all added a lot to this song to make it beautiful and so interesting. I'm so happy we got to check it out because every bit of the song from the beginning down through to the ending was amazing and so incredible, guys. How's it for you?
You know, Luis Miguel sings with this joy, which makes me very happy. And indeed, it's unconditional.
Yeah, that's so true.
Yes.
So guys, please do let us know what you think about our reaction in the comment section. If you want to see more of us, please make sure to like, subscribe and share this video. We'll see you in the next one.